How to delete Spotify account permanently. Hey, what's up guys? So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to delete your Spotify account permanently. So I'll show you step by step on how that's done in today's video. So let's go ahead and show you guys how that's done. So here on the Spotify app, you can see I'm currently on it. Now, you're going to want to head over to the top right hand corner and click the little gear box. Now, once you're here in the settings, you're going to want to go ahead and click account. Now, once you're in the account settings, at the very bottom, there should be in very small text that reads out to close your account yourself and delete your data permanently, click here. Now, go ahead and click the white highlighted text that says click here and is underlined. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to an external page of Spotify and it's going to ask you if you want to close your account. Now, just go ahead and click the green button that says close account. And here it'll actually give you, extra data or whatever it may be. Just click continue if you want to delete, and it's going to, let you what you need to know. Just go ahead and click I understand and click continue. Now from here, it's going to, send you an email to actually confirm the close of your account. So just make sure you go ahead and do that, and that'll go ahead and close your account permanently on Spotify. So that's essentially how you delete your Spotify account permanently, and that's probably the easiest way as of right now. So if you found this video somewhat helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, have a nice day everybody. I'll see you guys until next time.